Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick review of the Sony Xperia 10 Mark II. So first of all, let's have a look what's included. Of course, we have here the phone, which one comes here in black. And we have some other colors, I will come later to that point. And then we have some instructions here, but just basic instructions. So just to insert, how to insert a SIM card and how to on the phone. I will show you it also in some other videos. So then we have here the USB Type-C cable. Yeah, very important, because if you want to buy later also second cable, you need USB Type-C. So and the combination with the power adapter here, it supports fast charging. And yeah, what is very nice, we have a headset included, and we have an audio jack in that phone. That's not really common anymore. So very, very nice that we have that. Yeah, so let's come to the design. So I have the black version here, and so the front is Gorilla Glass. It's very scratch resistant. It's the sixth version of Gorilla Glass. And also on the back we have the same glass. And the frame is plastic. But it's very nice for the weight, because the weight is just at 151 grams. And the phone is very nice in the hand. It's very comfortable. And also, if it doesn't look like at the beginning, but it's very nice in the hand, and also you don't feel really the weight. So a big point. So what is also very nice and comfortable is here at the side the power button, which one is the fingerprint sensor at the same time. So it is really nice in the hand with that. And what is also nice to know is the phone is water resistant up to 1.5 meters. So let's come to the colors. I have told you already, I have the black version, but you can have it also as well in white, blue and green. So let's have a look on the display. It's a 6-inch display with an OLED screen, which one have HDR of course. And the resolution is full HD+. And what is very nice on the phone, we have a ratio of 29:9, so, and that's perfect for cinema movies. The screen have only just one problem. So if there's too much sunlight on the screen, you cannot really see something anymore. So the brightness is not that well, but the rest is absolutely fine. So let's come to the CPU. Of course, we have an Octa-Core CPU with 4 times 2.0 GHz and 4 times 1.8 GHz. The internal storage of the phone is 128 GB. What is very nice, and the RAMs are at 4 GB, what is okay. So the internal storage you can also extend it with a microSD card, by the way, up to 512 GB. So the phone have two versions. So a single SIM version, which one is named AU51. So this allows you to have a SIM card, of course, and if you want also a microSD card. And the second version of the phone is the AU52. That would allow you also to enter a SIM card and a microSD card, or a second SIM card. By the way, if you have the dual SIM version, it will be written here on the box. As you can see, the Xperia 10 Mark II have a triple cam, and one of these cams have 12, so the main cam have 12 megapixel. It supports 4K videos, by the way. And the second one have 8 megapixel. It's an ultra wide cam. I will show you in the next scene what it is. And the third one is an 8MP telesensor cam. So if you want to zoom in, you can use here an optical zoom and not the megapixels. And to support the pictures at night, so by the way, also if the pictures have less light, they become good. But if you need more light, we have an LED flashlight here as well on the back. Okay, let me show you now the cams. So if we go here on the, so this is the main cam we see right now, which one is nice, by the way. Also with less, because 12 megapixels is not that much, but it's okay. And if we go now here on the X1, so we can zoom in. Now you see the feeds here. And if you want to ultra wide cam, I go there again, and we have here now the ultra wide cam. Okay, let me show you the front cam. It's an 8MP front cam, which one supports full HD videos. 8MP is not that much, to be honest, but it's okay also to have some pictures here on the mobile screen. So the phone supports 4G, of course, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC. It has a built-in compass, but if you want to have a radio, it is not a part of, so there's no FM radio. So the phone has USB Type-C if you want to buy another cable. And what is very nice, you have an extra headphone jack here on the top. It's not really common anymore at smartphones, so very nice that we still have one. But what is not so nice, we have just one speaker, so a loudspeaker, and it's not really so wow because it doesn't really support a cinematic experience with the great 29:9 OLED display. So then we have as well on the back here a non-removable 3600 milliampere battery, which one supports fast charging, by the way. Yeah, so then let's come to the price. So the phone is at 370 euro or $350. It is very expensive for a mid-range phone, but Sony wants to have the people who really likes watching movies on smartphones, so then you can do nothing wrong with. If you have a look for other mid-range smartphones, you can have a much better price. Yeah, so let's come to some software features. As you can see here, there's a little bar. If you double tap that bar, you have enabled Side Sans for the moment. And you have the most important apps of you, so you can customize it. No? And you have also important features like the stamina mode, the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, the one-handed mode, and so on, or the multi-window mode. So very nice to have the most common apps directly on screen. So now, apropos stamina mode, so if you enable it, you can double the battery lifetime here. So very nice, yeah. In case you have less energy, you should use it. Then you can also make screenshots of websites if you use the power button and the volume down button. So let's go maybe to the Sony website. Here I've prepared something. So use the power button and the volume down button. Hold it until you see that here. Then you have a screenshot. And then if you want, you can go directly and edit. If you just may want to have the picture, then you go here on that symbol. And now you can crop a part of the screenshots. If you just want to have the picture and so on. So, and directly after go on done, and then we have just our picture here from the website. Go on save copy to finish it. And yeah, then the next mode I want to show you is about the camera, because we have a Google Lens in there. Okay, I have now a book here, so if I go now here on this symbol, then I'm at Google Lens. So for the very first time you have to activate something and so on. And you can translate here with this symbol here, the text. So it is a live translation. You just need a connection to the internet, but it works very well. He auto-detect the language here, and now in my case it's not German, and it translated directly into English. Yeah, and one more thing with Google Lens. So if I have here now the code, I go here on the magnification, see that here, tap it, and it tells me what the QR code is wants to tell us. And in that case, it's thanks for watching Phones and More. Yeah, thank you so much that you have watched my little review here for the Sony Xperia 10 Mark II. I hope I could help you with this video. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be really helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. Sorry, would be really a pleasure to see you again. Yeah, and maybe at next time. Ciao.